A mother's work is never done. And because of that, it sometimes causes her to neglect herself, especially her hair. What's good, guys? It's your girl Kiesha Arielle, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I transform my dreads into locks. But before we get into today's video, if you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification button so that you will never miss an upload every Sunday at 5 p.m. And also, if you would like to support my channel, then please feel free to join the ad gang by participating in watching the ads, which are displayed on my channel, as this really helps me out. Okay, so let's get into it. So the last time I shared my retwisting routine with you, my locks were about 3 months old, and since then I have made some minor changes to this routine of mine. So if you're interested in seeing my small tweaks, then please continue to watch. Okay, so after washing my hair, I like to lay out everything I will be using to begin the process of retwisting my hair, which includes my customized infused shea hair butter, my homemade hair growth oil, a comb, and some hair clips. So as you guys know, in my last video, I shared with you how I went about reattaching my locks. But I have to mention, whilst washing my hair, 3 of the reattached locks came undone, so I will have to reattach those later. Now, I have to say the state of my grid is a true reflection of what my hair looks like after not retwisting it for the past 4 months. Now, the last time I retwisted my hair was the latter end of August, possibly the beginning of September 2018, and the only maintenance I did during that time was neatening my partings when I did install my box braids. But today's the day my hair will be revived and no longer look like dreads, but like locks. Once I'm done towel drying my hair, I follow up with the usual of oiling my scalp and sealing the moisture in with my hair butter. Then the retwisting begins. So in my initial retwisting video, I shared with you all that when retwisting 2-strand twist or comb coil starter locks, that it's very crucial to twist in the direction of which the locks were formed, and that still remains true. However, once your locks are fully formed and solid, you don't have to follow that rule of thumb, but I still try to continue in the same direction. So the only reason why I mentioned that is because you may see that I'm twisting in different direction as opposed to how I used to twist before. Now, the only difference between my old retwisting routine and my new one is that I no longer use any lock gels or wax when retwisting my hair. And if you're interested in wanting to know why I no longer use these, then be sure to click the link above to check out my 9-month lock update video, where I shared with you all why I no longer will be using any additional products for my retwisting sessions. And this is the finished look, from dreads to locks. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this content to show some love and support if you did enjoy it. So until next week Sunday at 5 p.m, we will be right back here with another video.